Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to remove a Tesla Model S tail light. First, always ensure your vehicle is completely powered off and the parking brake is engaged for your safety. You will need a few basic tools, primarily an 8mm socket wrench and a plastic trim removal tool. It's also a good idea to apply painter's tape around the tail light to protect your vehicle's finish from any accidental marks during the removal process. Let's get started. Now, let's gain access to the tail light's mounting points. Begin by opening your trunk. You'll need to carefully remove the cargo liner and any plastic trim panels that might be covering the area behind the tail light. Use your plastic pry tool to gently release the clips holding these panels in place, working slowly to avoid any damage. Once the trim is out of the way, you should clearly see the 3 or 4 nuts securing the tail light assembly. With the nuts exposed, grab your 8mm socket wrench. Carefully loosen and remove all 3 or 4 nuts that hold the tail light in place. Once the nuts are off, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight outward from the vehicle. It might be held by some mild adhesive or clips, so a steady, gentle pull is best. Finally, locate the electrical connector, press its release tab, and carefully unplug the wiring harness to fully detach the tail light. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps. First, securely connect the electrical harness to your new tail light assembly, ensuring it clicks into place. Carefully position the tail light back into its opening on the vehicle. Hand tighten the 3 or 4 retaining nuts, then use your 8mm socket to tighten them to about 3 to 4 Nm for a snug, watertight seal. Replace all interior trim panels, and finally, test your new tail light to confirm it's working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.